Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL WP23, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Then tap on this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back and click on this red button at the bottom left corner to start recording. If you never used Recorder before, select Allow in the pop-ups. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same red button. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on this check mark on the left. Now name your recording however you want to, if you want to, and choose Save. To access list of all your recordings, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. To play one of them, click on the chosen one. If you wish to get rid of it, you need to hold it and tap on this bin at the top. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!